Hello MBCians! How you doing? Now you guys probably might be thinking that are we on a right channel cause this video is a bit different. Well, I was recording the one shot series lecture but I couldn't upload it today and yep, pretty bad luck, right? Also, I didn't want it to break my video streak. So I was wondering what shall I do? And then I just got excited for an idea of why not to try a AI video. Yep, I wanted to perform this experiment whether a AI can create an engaging video or not. So I created this whole video using an AI, of course, except this part. And then I will see the results of the engagement in this video and compare it with my normal videos. So if you'll watch this video till the end, I want you to comment down your thoughts about whether this AI can really take over or not.
AI is not against humans, it's with humans. But does it mean they are better than us in every way? Welcome to the grand stage of the AI versus human showdown, where we explore this intriguing question. Picture this, a world where artificial intelligence, our digital compatriots, compete with us, the crafty humans, in the arena of everyday tasks. Sounds like a sci-fi movie plot, doesn't it? Now let's lay some groundwork. Artificial intelligence, or AI, as we lovingly call it, is not some terrifying futuristic technology. It's already here, interwoven into our daily lives. It's in our smartphones, our cars, even in our refrigerators. It's like that quiet roommate who's always there, subtly making our lives a bit easier. But occasionally, just occasionally, having a good laugh at our expense. AI has been making waves across various industries: healthcare, finance, transportation, and whatnot. They're like the new kid on the block who's good at everything. They can diagnose diseases, predict stock market trends, and even drive cars. I mean, come on, how many talents does one entity need? But here's the twist. We're not here to sing praises of AI. No, sir, we're here to put them to the test, to see if they can match up to us, the ingenious humans in our domain, the everyday tasks. Can they fold laundry as efficiently as a busy mom? Or navigate a self-checkout as smoothly as a tech-savvy teenager? Let's find out. To add a dash of humor, let's imagine AI as an eager contender, ready to prove its mettle. They've got their game face on, their circuits buzzing with anticipation. But remember, humans, we've got millions of years of evolution on our side. We're crafty, we're adaptable, and we certainly know how to put up a good fight. So if you're ready, buckle up and let's dive into this friendly match. AI versus humans. Now, imagine this. You're at home and you've got a mountain of laundry to fold. Who do you think can handle it better? You or your friendly AI? Now let's picture this. We have our first competitor, a state-of-the-art AI with a robotic arm that's been trained using thousands of hours of video data on laundry folding. It's equipped with the latest machine learning algorithms designed to handle even the most complex tasks. Sounds impressive, right? But here's the catch. Our AI friend has a bit of a hard time distinguishing between your socks and your hand towels. And let's not even get started on the fitted sheets. Oh, the fitted sheets. They're the final boss in the laundry folding game, and our AI, well, let's just say it's not quite there yet. Then we have our second competitor, the human. Armed with years of laundry folding experience, they've got this task down to an art. Folding socks? Easy. Hand towels? No problem. Fitted sheets? Well, they may struggle a bit, but they'll get it done eventually. But then we throw them into the self-checkout arena. Suddenly, our human competitor is faced with an unexpected item in the bagging area warning. And it's not their item. They're scanning and rescanning, looking around for assistance. But alas, the checkout assistant is occupied elsewhere. Meanwhile, AI would breeze through self-checkout, scanning items with precision. No unexpected items in its bagging area, thank you very much. It's a sight to behold, really. In this everyday Olympics, it seems like we've got a tie. The AI, with all its machine learning prowess, still can't fold a fitted sheet. And the human, despite their years of experience, still gets flustered at the self-checkout. Well, it seems both AI and humans have their strengths and weaknesses. It's not a clear victory yet. So, we've seen AI trying to fold laundry and humans trying to beat self-checkout machines. But what does the future hold for this unusual duo? In the grand scheme of things, AI and humans aren't rivals, but partners. They're like a dynamic duo ready to change the world, one algorithm at a time. The future of AI and humans working together is full of possibilities, and it's not as dystopian as some may think. Yes, there are concerns. Some fear that AI will take over jobs, leading to widespread unemployment. But let's flip the coin and look at the other side. AI has the potential to take over mundane tasks, freeing up our time to focus on more creative and complex challenges, ones that require human intuition and empathy. It's about shifting the focus from manual labor to intellectual labor. And let's not forget, AI can enhance our capabilities, not just replace them. Take healthcare, for instance. AI can analyze medical images with precision and speed, aiding doctors in diagnosing diseases. It doesn't replace the doctor, but gives them a powerful tool to provide better care. AI can also help us tackle some of the biggest challenges of our time, like climate change. Imagine AI systems predicting weather patterns with unprecedented accuracy, helping us mitigate the effects of extreme weather events. Or AI-powered recycling bots sorting through waste, making our recycling processes more efficient. And in education, personalized learning could become the norm with AI, adapting to each student's unique learning style. The teacher isn't replaced, but empowered, able to provide individual attention to each student's needs. The key here is balance. AI is a tool, a powerful one, but a tool nonetheless. It's up to us, the humans, to use it wisely to ensure it benefits everyone, not just a select few. So it's not about AI versus humans, it's about AI and humans. Together, they can create a future that's beyond our wildest imagination. All right, it's time for the verdict. Who wins this showdown, AI or humans? Drum roll, please. And the winner is both. Yes, you heard it right. Our Everyday Olympics showcase the strengths and weaknesses of both sides, painting a clear picture that we need both AI and humans to make the world go round. AI excels at tasks that require precision, consistency, and speed, while humans bring creativity, empathy, and adaptability to the table. It's like a well-oiled machine meeting a creative mind, a perfect blend of efficiency and innovation. In the grand scheme of things, it's not about who's superior. It's about how AI and humans can complement each other, how we can leverage the strengths of one to cover the weaknesses of the other. Well, it seems the real winners here are all of us, as we embrace the potential of AI. So let's not see it as a competition, but a collaboration. After all, the future is brighter when we work together.